Hey guys, hey guys, I'm going to show you how to grow flowers on any grass in Minecraft using just one simple, uh, it's very simple. Just like put this on the ground. So what you do is you have to get bones and then crunch them up into bone meal. And then it's really kind of cool. Watch it kind of goes fast. If you hold the bone meal in your hand, like not on the you can't just throw it on the floor. You gotta hold it in your hand, and you gotta look at the ground. You see this little black square? You have to excuse me,
Huh?
Johnny. I'm trying to make a video,
Oh, sorry.
and you just right click the ground, and you get flowers. And depending on the kind of biome you're in, changes the flowers. We're in the normal biome. You get roses and you get tulips. Let's if you didn't catch it the first time, let me try one more time over here. You guys can do this on any grass area. Just look at the ground. Make sure you have the bone meal in your hand. Don't be mistaken, you can't place it on things like wood because flowers don't grow on wood. I'm just gonna show you again. Just right click. This only made one flower, but we got grass, and as you know, grass gives you seeds, so can make wheat. That makes sense. Um, Thank you for watching this video. If you Thank you for watching this video. If you subscribe, if you like it, leave a comment, put a like on the video, and my next video is gonna be about me showing you how to be a famous YouTuber using Minecraft. Yeah, don't forget to hit that bell icon. Um, YouTube's algorithms do not favor people on YouTube. So hit that like, hit that comment, and hit that bell icon for more Minecraft videos. And if you guys didn't catch it the first two times, I'm gonna do it one more time. You're just gonna hold the bone meal in your hand. And you're just gonna look at the ground and you're just gonna right click. That is the opposite of left click. See, as you can see on this one didn't produce flowers. Not all batches produce flowers. Alright, if you guys like this video, you guys can subscribe. Um, you guys can like the video too. That's also an option. If you like this video, leave a comment too. Alright, thanks.